Hi everybody, welcome again. So in this video we'll learn about sending mails. We'll use a new Mailable class. Also we'll take a look at new Markdown email feature in Laravel 5.4. Actually this is the part of e-commerce website with Laravel series where we'll be sending emails to customer notifying them that their order has been shipped. Okay, so if you are here just to learn how to send email and everything about emails, that is totally fine. Okay, so let's configure the mail option. So let's go to config mail. So here you'll configure your driver used for mailing and all this stuff. So in this video I'll be using the mail trap. This is perfectly fine for testing purpose. So if you want to use Gmail or actual Gmail, you just need to replace this password and username. Okay, so after signing up you'll get credentials, so you can just choose Laravel and get these credentials, and let's copy them. Okay, instead of copying it here, I'll copy it on env file, actually .env file. Okay, I've already copied these options, so just copy these credentials, your username, password and all stuff here. This will automatically pull here since we are using env function. Okay, so after your driver is configured, we'll just create our new Mailable class to send email. Okay, so we have to run this command in order to generate the Mailable class. So PHP artisan make mail. So name of mail will be order shipped. That is perfectly fine. Okay, now you'll see new folder called mail, and here is the Mailable class. Okay, so let's create a view that will show up in email. So I'll create a new folder inside views called emails. Okay, so inside here I'll create new blade file, orders, email shipped. So for now I'll just create heading order shipped. Okay, so our this Mailable class is all set up. Now let's trigger this email. Let's go to our e-commerce website and let's log into admin. So here let's go to all orders. So we'll trigger that email order shipped when admin mark this order as delivered. Will notify a customer that your order has been shipped. So yeah, so we are handling that on our order controller. Okay, over here. So if our user checks that checkbox delivered and submits, this code block will execute it. So yeah, so here we'll send mail. So mail and send, actually mail to. So actually what we can do here is we can just pass a user model, like you can pass email address here. So let's pass first. And then call send method. So here you need to pass that Mailable class order shipped. Yeah, so make sure you import that class up here, order shipped. Also you need to import this mail class like this here. Okay, so after that we are all done. Let's test this. So when someone clicks delivered and submits, okay, sorry about that. Here we need to specify the view name, so that is emails and email shipped. All right, okay, let's try once again. Okay, so let's check our inbox. So here is order shipped, and this is what we typed in our view. Okay, so pretty simple. Now let's pass some variable. So if you want to pass any variable here, all you need to do is just pass in here. Okay, so for example, we need to if we want to pass orders like this order here, and in our Mailables class order shipped, here we need to pass like this. So we need to create a property. So protected, we'll call that order, and this order equals to order. So here we need to type into that order. Also we need to import that order class up here. Alright, so we don't need to do width here. So if you want to specify a specific variable, you can do that. Like, so if you want to do width an array, so for example you just want to pass price, you can do like this, order price, actually this order. Alright, so this step is just optional. You can just specify like this in your view. Actually this is total. We don't have price field in our database, so total. Okay, so let's go to view order shipped and total equals to, now we can use that price variable. Let's make it total. Let's go to view and let's call total. Okay, so let's send the email again. Alright, so now you can see the total price here. So now we know how to pass data to our view. Okay, next we'll learn about Markdown emails, so which is new in 5.4, as I've already told you. So instead of this view, we'll use Markdown. Alright, so let's delete these. Actually just revert what we have done till now, this order ship.php and emails, so I'll just delete them. You can leave this as it is for now. So there is a command that will generate the Mailables class as well as the view for us. So php artisan, name of the class, and the Markdown view that you want to generate. So this will generate the order ship Markdown inside emails folder. All right, okay, so now that's created. Let's go to email order shipped. Yeah, so now you can see the Markdown template. So this is automatically generated by Laravel for us. Also, if you go to mail and order shipped, this time also instead of view, just Markdown. Okay, so that command generated. You can manually do this as well. Okay, everything else will be same, and the passing data will be same. Create a property and assign this to order. So type in the order property which we are passing from our here order controller, mail send to, and we're passing this order. So yeah, you can do with, or if you don't want to do with, just leave it as it is, and but you have to do one additional step here. So this is our heading and all stuff. So your total price is, so here total, sorry, order and total. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Now let's test this, refresh the page, and we'll make this delivered and submit, and here we get the order with total price. Okay, one more thing, while sending email, so here we are just hard coding our recipient. So what you can do is you can just pass a user instance, user find someone like with id 1, but here we want to send email to customer who placed the order. Okay, so here we have already defined the user method that belongs to this order. Okay, so there is a relationship between order and user. Here what we can do is we can just pass order and we can call user. Okay, this will automatically fetch the email from our user. Okay, it will automatically take the email field. So for example, this order is placed by Dusty, it should send email to Dusty. Okay, so email of Dusty is dsfs. So yeah, to dsfs. Okay, Dusty. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.